children, now let us do this line-wise paraphrasing of Act 4, Scene 2, a very short scene. This brief scene develops the comedy of rings one step further. Nerissa plays the same trick as used by Portia to take away Gratiano's ring, which she had given to him at the time of their marriage. So this is a short scene, and in this Nerissa also by the same trick that Portia played on Bassanio and took away his ring, in the same way Nerissa plays the same trick and takes Gratiano's ring, which she had put on his finger at the time of their marriage and had made him promise never to remove that ring. Portia and Nerissa then hasten back to Belmont. Hasten means quickly move back to Belmont, anticipating the fun that they will have by accusing their husbands of giving away the rings. And they are looking forward to accuse their husbands of giving away the rings to women. Scene 2, Venice, a street. Enter Portia and Nerissa disguised as before. So both Portia and Nerissa, Portia is disguised as a lawyer and Nerissa is disguised as her clerk. Portia, inquire the Jew's house out. So Portia says to this one Nerissa that please find out where the Jew's house is, where is Shylock's house. Give him this deed and give him this legal document, that is the deed of gift, and let him sign it and see that you get his signature on this deed of gift. We will away tonight, that is we shall leave from here tonight itself and be a day before our husband's home and reach home a day before our husbands reach. This deed will be welcome to Lorenzo. This deed of gift or this legal document will be a very pleasant gift for Lorenzo. Enter Gratiano. Gratiano, fair sir, that is dear sir, you are well overtaken. Apostrophe for missing we and here missing K. So I have overtaken you, I have come up with you. My Lord Bassanio upon more advice, and says that my Lord Bassanio on further consideration, more advice means on further consideration, hath sent you here this ring. Hath means has, sent you here this ring, and doth means does, entreat means request, and he does entreat or request your company at dinner, and he requests to have your company for dinner tonight. Portia, that cannot be. She says, it is not possible. We cannot come and have dinner with him. His ring I do accept most thankfully. I do accept his ring with gratitude. And so I pray you, and so I request you, tell him, please tell him that. Furthermore, I pray you, furthermore, I request you, show my youth. Show, who's the youth? Show my clerk, that is Nerissa, old youth, old Shylock's house. Show my clerk the house of the old Jew Shylock. Gratiano, that will I do. So Gratiano says, I will surely do that. Nerissa, sir, I would speak with you. Would means wish. So Nerissa addresses Gratiano and she says, sir, I wish to speak to you. Aside to Portia, I'll see if I can get my husband's ring. So very softly she says to Portia, I will try if I can get my husband's ring, which I did make him swear to keep forever, which I had made him swear that he will always keep wearing on his finger. Portia aside to Nerissa. So very softly Portia says to Nerissa, thou mayest. Thou means you, mayest means may. You may, I warrant means I assure you. So she says, I assure you, you will be able to get your husband's ring. We shall have old swearing. Old swearing means we will have a lot of swearing that they did give the rings away to men, that they gave away our rings to men. But we will outface them. But we will, outface means oppose them and outswear them too. And we will swear loudly and outswear them. We will swear more than them too, aloud. Then she says it loudly, away, make haste. Come on, go quickly. Make haste means please hurry up, be quick. Thou knowest, thou means you, knowest means know, where I will tarry. Tarry means wait. So you know where I will wait for you. Nerissa, come good sir. So Nerissa calls out to Graciano, come on good sir, will you show me to this house? Will you show me Shylock's house? So with this we finish Act 4. Now next video will be on Act 5, Scene 1. Bye-bye.